An agent of the Russian Secret Service GRU was detained by Ukraine's security service during a counter-subversive special operation in the frontline areas of Mykolaiv region. The Russian spy was collecting intelligence on US-supplied Himars, high-mobility artillery rocket systems, that have been credited with turning the tide of Russian President Vladimir Putin's war against Ukraine. The spy planned to use the received information to prepare and carry out sabotage and missile strikes. He came to the attention of Russian special services as an active supporter of pro-Kremlin views on armed aggression against Ukraine. The attacker spread his destructive posts on social networks. He received the offer of secret cooperation with the aggressor on his own phone through one of the messengers. After being recruited, he began to carry out enemy reconnaissance and subversive tasks. He sent information about the objects to his curator from the Russian Federation through closed electronic communication channels in the form of detailed diagrams, which he destroyed after transmission. During the search of the detainee's residence, law enforcement officers found a mobile phone that he used to communicate with the Russian coordinator. So far, the investigators of the security service have informed the traitor that he is suspected of committing a crime. A preventive measure in the form of detention was chosen. The special operation to expose the enemy agent was carried out by the SBU of the Mykolaiv region under the procedural guidance of the Mykolaiv Regional Prosecutor's Office. Earlier, the SBU detained 2 Russian informants in the Donetsk region who were scouting the positions of Himars on the Eastern Front. The SBU is the main intelligence and security agency of the Ukrainian government.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.